Hi, I'm Erin Joyce, the District Consultant for the Oil Creek Library District, which covers the public libraries in Clarion, Jefferson, and Venango counties. I'm here today to walk you through how to search our partner collections in Libby. One of the amazing things about having a network of partner libraries is the ability to access a wider variety of titles all with the same library card. If you need help adding your partner library cards, check out our Adding Partner Library Card tutorial video. Your friend here is the search icon. The partner library collections are listed right underneath the search box. If you aren't looking for anything in particular and just want to browse collections at our partners, simply switch the the library here. Tap on the library and then tap on this little library card icon. It will change to the colors of the library you're searching, and that will take you to that library's homepage so you can scroll to browse. If you're looking for a particular title or author, go back to the search icon. You can start typing in the name. Typically, if the title or author is in the Oil Overdrive database, it will start an autofill in the name that you can select. You can just tap on that. Once you select the search, it will search the library you've selected under the search box. I'm searching Ann Rivers Sidden here just to see what titles of hers we have. These are the titles we have in the Oil Creek collection. If you look at the little library card icons, you can see which ones are available right now. Those have a little plus sign on them. If we own the item, but it is checked out or has a holds list, you will see a little clock and dots on a calendar that give you an idea of how long your wait list will be. If you click on that little card icon, you will see a list of each of the libraries you will have a card loaded into Libby. So this actually is beyond just our partner libraries. This will be for any library you have a library card for. And whether or not they have the items. If the other libraries have the books, you can also see how many copies and how many people are waiting if it isn't available. It looks just like this: one copy in use, X number of people waiting. This can come in very handy if you don't like to wait. Sometimes you get lucky and one of our partner libraries will have the book without any wait lists. You can click on the little card icon next to the library in the list, and that will allow you to borrow it or place a hold on it, and you don't have to go back through the search steps. If you want to expand your search, just click on the little search icon again. You can switch to a different library, and you can just either start typing in the search again or just click on under the recent searches. You can click on the author's name, and it will take you to that partner library you selected and let you see what is in their collections. You can rinse and repeat through all of the collections as if the libraries don't have the title you're looking for. A quick tip: if the title or author doesn't show up in this autofill section, it might not be available for us to purchase on Overdrive, or you might be a little off in the spelling. If you aren't finding any books you want to read, check out our tutorial on how to recommend books to our collection. I hope this helps you find your next book and that you have a happy reading day.